little snow on a Monday morning, January.
Well, it's about 4:30 a.m.
A winter storm will continue to bring cold temperatures, snow, ice and wind to much of the mid-Atlantic this week. The winter storm is expected to move from the Midlands into the central Mississippi Valley through Tuesday before moving into the southern mid-Atlantic region on Wednesday. Much of the Plains region will experience record cold temperatures and dangerous wind chills, while the east will experience below-average temperatures. On Thursday, Arctic air will move across the southern Central Plains to the Gulf Coast, where temperatures will likely be below freezing and low-temperature records are expected to be broken. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced bad weather in the last few days.
Okay, for real, who keeps ordering this white stuff? Like, for real.
Well, it's about 4:30 a.m. and our winter storm is here.
Hail will also likely be an issue due to the storm that started Wednesday night, with areas like Raleigh and Charlotte. All of North Dakota, nearly all of South Dakota, Iowa, Minnesota, Montana, Oklahoma and Nebraska, and parts of Texas and Kansas were under extreme cold warnings on Tuesday. It was reported that as of 12:25 p.m. Tuesday, there had been more than 2,300 flight delays into or out of the U.S. and more than 760 cancellations.
Drop of the snow is gone.